In this video, we are going to break down an iconic drum fill that is used in gospel sessions all over the world, and you can use it and apply it to your music to make it sound smooth and tasty, yet really professional. Let's do this. Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to do a whole bunch of things. We talked about it already, and we are going to break it down into little bits and pieces so you can understand it clearly and apply it to your music. But before we do that, hit the subscribe if you're new here and hit the bell to be notified every single time there's some drum goodness going on. There's some breakdowns of magnanimity.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And hit the like button. Let's try and get in 190 likes for this video. Okay, enough with the jibber jabber. The first part of this drum fill is on the toms, and it's a flam. So you play a flam. This is what a flam looks like. So you do that now on the first tom. So now that you have that down, we add the extra notes that you need for the first tom pattern. And the extra notes are 3 notes. So you play a flam, then 3 notes, like this. Okay, we're making progress. So in addition to the tom pattern, you add 1 hit on the snare, like this. What you can actually do just to get into the flow of things is just take this part and play around with it. This is an example of how I would just play around with it until I get used to it, then I go on with the rest of the pattern. Okay, so now you have that down. Next part, we're going to do the thing on the toms. And it goes like this. And as we said in the past, you can experiment with this also until you get used to it, until you get familiar with it. So now we have the first part and we have the toms pattern. Let's put the two together and see what it sounds like on its own. So to crash, we play 2 hits on the kick. But the thing with this is, as you play the 2 hits on the kick, you're playing 2 hits on the cymbals. So in unison, you play left, right with a kick on each hit of the cymbals, like this. And in my opinion, this is actually the hardest part of this whole thing. So this part needs to be practiced a little bit more, or it ends up sounding like cymbals and some kick like somewhere among it, and it doesn't really go onto each other. So this is how I practice it. I actually just broke off the final note of the whole pattern, the one on the floor tom, played that along with the cymbal pattern, and played it until I was comfortable with it. Played it with a whole bunch of other stuff. Then try to bring it back into the drum fill so that it meshes and it goes on the beat. It's important to always stay quantized. If your hits are not quantized, it sounds messy, and that's not what you want to do. You want it to be on point, like as thin as a finely tuned comb. That doesn't make any sense, but hey, you get what I'm saying. Yeah, I don't know. I'm hungry. There's something happening. I've not eaten all day, so that's probably why. Hit the like button so I feel satisfied. You would have to keep working on it for quite a while to get that and have it fluid. And that's where we need to get to. Make it fluid, such that when you need to play it or when it comes out whilst you're playing, you just pour it on the drums and go along with your way. So now let's play the whole entire fill, all the parts put together. And this is how it sounds like. As usual, we have to play with music. So the Drum Chops Builder app is an amazing application that you can download right now onto your phone, and you would have the access, the ability, the unrestricted fortitude to be able to save all your drum ideas right from your head to your phone whenever and wherever you get the idea. And you can go practice later. The link is in the description down below. Go hit it up. Go download it. It's good for you. So that's pretty much it. Go do the business, go practice, go explore with it. And you can add your own parts, you can take out your own parts. It's creativity. Make it your own. Make it something that you want to play. So, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe down below and hit the bell to get notified every single time there's a new video. And the Drum Chops Builder app, the link is in the description down below. Go hit it up, go open it up, go do the thing, go download it. God willing, I'll be making a few videos about the Drum Chops Builder app coming soon. Stay tuned, subscribe, do all the things. Okay, all the things. This has been your boy Jaystiqs, and stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.